I don't even know how to call her because she deserves a name just for herself. Hello fashionistas, if you're stopping by for the very first time, you have a warm welcome. My name is Saudi from Hilo Fashion House. I produce content that focuses on fashion, style inspiration for every woman who is looking after to look her best. Or if you're someone that loves luxury on a great find, then my content is geared towards you. Today's video, it's an unboxing. This is a very, very special unboxing that is so dear to me. If you have been following my channel, you know I have been wishing for this item for so many years. I even listed the same item on my 2023 luxury wish list and also my 2024 luxury wish list. Enough of the talk. This item literally just arrived today on my mailbox and I haven't even opened it yet. I decided to open it with me and my queenette. It comes in this box. Are you guys ready to unbox this item? For me, I am ready. I recently went to Paris. I was actually in Paris for 10 days. And every single day, I keep my name on this lottery system they have that it's called the appointment. Every day, I make an appointment. I don't get a feedback from them. At a particular day, I went to the store itself to see if there is any cancellation for any Coda bag from Hermes. And whoever was the essay, what was her name? She was very nice, but she said there is no cancellation. Let me try again the next day. So I keep trying until I left Paris without getting any appointment. I was disappointed, very disappointed. Hopefully the next time when I go, I will be lucky for me to get into this lottery system. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to be one of the random people that they choose on this lottery system. I came back home without purchasing my wish and my long dream bag from Hermes. So I came home and I was very disappointed. And I said, you know what? Saudi, take matters in your own hands. I start looking into the resale market and I was able to score one from Reebok. This bag just arrived today and I'm here to share with you guys this new baby that I got from Reebok. Anyway, enough of the talking. Let's get this baby up. I have a scissors. So let's start by opening this box. So now let me open this baby and share this baby with, my gosh, to the floor. I'm so excited. I really wanted to get this, the first one to get it actually from the Hermes store itself. I try my best to build a relationship with an associate. I buy few pieces there, but I just couldn't be patient and play this game with them. So I take my own matters into my hands. So this is this baby. So you guys can see from just by the box, you guys know this is my new baby. What I want you guys to do in the comments below, I want you guys to tell me which bag did I got. Let's start chatting right now. Before we proceed, I don't even know how to call her. What name do you guys I should call her? All of my bags, I named them. Let me know in the comments below which name should I give her, because she deserves a name just for herself, okay? All right, so. Oh my gosh. This is the dust bag that it comes with from Reebok. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's a Kelly. This is my new baby. This is she. She is beautiful. It's a lime. It's a pre-love, excellent condition. If you're going to spend money like this, you need on the resale market, you must have well get the and very excellent condition, and that's what I got. It's lime, the lime color. The color, it's vibrant. It's in the gold hardware. Ha, ha, ha. Production date, I think 2020 or 2019. So it's not, it's about 4 to 3 years. It's about 4 years old. But the condition is just in immaculate condition. It's very, very nice. I love this color. It's lime yellow. It has a yellow lime. I love vibrant color. I was wishing to get the pink. I was wishing to get this bag, not from the pre-love, but directly from Hermes. I purchased few things just like I previously said. But I just don't see myself playing the game at this time. Hopefully in the future, I will continue to play the game so I can just get a quarterback directly from them. I was playing the game of this lottery system. Every day I'm making an appointment between 10 to 7:30 p.m. for the next day, every single day for the 10 days that I was in Paris. No luck. So I came back home and I decided to look into the resale market, and I was able to score one on the retail market that I love. Exactly the color that I also love. This is a color that I always love. The condition, it's in a very excellent. It looks new to me. This, whoever had this bag, really take care of this bag. So let's open this baby. This beauty, it comes with the raincoat. The only thing that is missing is the dust bag, the original dust bag. This is the cochet and the key. The plastic is still there. And this is the strap. What do you guys think? Do you guys love this color that I choose? Do you guys love this? By the way, this is a Kelly 28. It's a 28. Let me stand. This is how it looks on me. This is it. This is it, guys. This is how this baby, this beauty looks on me. This is the classic size for the Kelly. I wanted a size 28, not 25, not the mini. Even though I didn't get this bag from the store directly, but in the condition that I got this bag from, I cannot say anything else but to appreciate this beauty. I love her for who she is. Epsom leather. I glam up today for you guys because this is a special unboxing. I need to glam up as usual. Let me know in the comment below, what do you guys think of this bag? Do you guys love this bag? Are you guys excited just like the way I am excited? Let me know in the comment below. Let's start chatting right now in the comments. Let me know which one is your dream bag. If you make it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching today's video. I really appreciate you guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, share, and give this video a like if you like it more. Please share it. Please remember to stay fabulous and be fabulous as always. See you guys on my next video.